If you find yourself logged out of your Instagram account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device or visit the Instagram website on your computer. Click on Forgot Password, located on the login screen. Step 2. Enter your information. Input your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. This will help Instagram identify your account and send you recovery options. Step 3. Check your email or SMS. Look for a message from Instagram in your email inbox or SMS. Follow the link provided in the message to reset your password. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Reset your password. Create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Make sure it is unique and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, helping to prevent future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Instagram account and secure it against future suspicious activity.